You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 170.964. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values, put zeros in the blank number places. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 2 plus 7 equals 16. Carry 1 to the 10th place. 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 equals 19. Carry 1 to the 1's place. 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 6 equals 10. Carry 1 to the 10's place. 1 plus 6 plus 4 equals 17. Carry 1 to the hundred's place. Write 1 in the hundred's place, and so the final result is 170.964.